Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about an English idiom, and that is cut your coat according to your cloth. Well, this is said in English, this is said when we want to advise someone, or when we're talking to ourselves maybe, and telling ourselves not to undertake something that we are not able to complete. Okay, we tell this to people to say undertake things that you have the ability or money to complete them. Okay, imagine you want to buy a car and you do not have the money for that, or a house that you do not have enough money for that. You've got only 10% of that money or something like that, and then you are trying different things and you can't complete it, you can't get the rest of the money that you need. So someone in this case might advise you not to do this by just saying this: cut your cloth, cut your coat according to your cloth. Okay, so means just buy something that you've got the money of, not more than that. Or you're applying for a job which you are not able to do it. You don't know the language, you do not have the skills, maybe something like this. Then you're still applying for that and are trying your best, meeting people to let you do this, but you know that you can't complete it. So others in these cases might tell you this: cut your coat according to your cloth. Okay, means do not waste the cloth, or do not cut it so that you finally are short with cloth. Okay, so imagine you're cutting the coat and designing it and doing it, but you do not have sleeves or something like this. So then maybe you shouldn't have started this. Alright, now let's look at the examples. I've got 3 examples. They can help you with this expression, this idiom. Okay, as we've got your coat and your cloth over here, which are the possessive adjectives, in normal situation we just use it this way, but sometimes we are not talking to someone that is called you, so we do not need your. I might be talking to myself. I say I should cut, I can't say your coat, I should cut my coat. So I can change your to my, to his, to hers, to her, to our, and something like this. Change it according to the person we're talking to. Okay, so let's look at the examples over here. We would like a bigger house, but we must cut our coat according to our cloth. Over here I've got our coat, our cloth. Okay, because we are talking to ourselves. We would like, and then we say we should do this, we should not do that. Okay, so the person is thinking of a bigger house and likes this idea, but person or these people know that they can't afford it, they do not have enough money, or they do not have the opportunity at the moment, they can't do this, they can't leave this, let's say village maybe, for any reason. Then they say, okay, we must cut our coat according to our cloth, according to the situation that we've got. This is what we can do, what we can have. Okay, and let's look at the other one. Again, money, affording money, afford to buy something, afford to go on a vacation. They can't afford a vacation abroad. They have to cut their coat according to their cloth. They can't really go abroad, they can't have a vacation abroad because they do not have money, so they have to cut their coat according to their cloth. Maybe it means just to go to a city in the same country, maybe to visit somewhere near. Okay, something that they have the money for. Okay, they have to cut their coat according to their cloth. Alright, now let's look at the third one. I asked the seller the price of tennis rackets I had set my heart on, but it was too expensive, so I had to cut my coat according to my cloth and buy a cheaper one. Okay, So over here in the example there is something that might be a bit new to you, I don't know, I'm not sure, but it might be new to you, and that is to set one's heart on something. And in this case something is the tennis racket. When you say I had set my heart on, means I loved it, I really wanted that, okay? So when you really want something that is really eye-catching to you, and you just can't think of other options, you're just looking at that one, you just want that one, then you say I set my heart on something, and then means I really want it from inside, okay? Okay, over here a person likes a tennis racket in this way so much, loves it, and then asks the price, but it was too expensive, it's too much for the person, so the person needs to cut his coat according to his cloth, according to his money, his pocket, and then he just forgets about the one that he loves and buys a cheaper one. Okay, so you might advise yourself, you might tell yourself like this person over here says my coat, my cloth, and we might advise ourselves, thinking of something we might tell ourselves, not only advising people, or also talking to people, telling them that this is not wise or something like this. We might use this one. You might have the same thing in your language. If you could write it down below this video, would be great. Happy to be here with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.